What can hover with invisible wings? What can clap up to 70 times in 1 second? What can fly backward, you ask? You guessed it, a hummingbird.
I, the one and only hummingbird, live in the western hemisphere, exactly near the equator. Hummingbirds don't use nest boxes or tree cavities. Instead, we generally build nests in sheltered trees or shrubbery, often in a lot of branches. In the rainforest, we have a bunch of rain, 2,000 to 10,000 millimeters of rain per year. I love my big hot home in the rainforest. We fellow hummingbirds stick together, but away from reptiles, birds, mammals, insects, and even fish, because those are our predators. If you were a hummingbird, you'd want to stay away from them. Do you know why? This is why. You wouldn't want to get eaten. There are also other animals in the rainforest, like snakes, woodpeckers, and birds. But those animals are bigger than us hummingbirds. Speaking of us hummingbirds, we don't have any prey. I think it's probably because we're too small. This is why we hummingbirds stick together. Speaking of prey, instead, we flower nectar trees have insects and pollen. That is the type of food I like. Hummingbirds like myself belong in the rainforest. There are a bunch of things that help us survive in them. For example, we are small. Since we are small, it is hard for us to be spotted. There is also, here is another example, flying. Since we hummingbirds can fly, we can go fast away from our predators. Last example, camouflage. Since we fellow hummingbirds are all types of different colors, we can hide better. That is how I get around. Or whatever you want to call it. But we can't survive without our feathers. You are taking them. If you want to help us survive, tell humans not to take our feathers. The rainforest is where we belong.
Because we get 2,000 to 10,000 rain per year. Thankfully, we can fly because we can get away from reptiles, bugs, mammals, insects, and even fish. And the camouflage so they won't eat us. Our biome in the rainforest is very hot. 20 to 25 must be rain, warm, and frosty. Usually 79 Fahrenheit, 26 Celsius. Remember? Anyway, remember what we eat. Flower nectar, trees, sap, insects, and pollen. I wish we could chat more.